It's Monday, week 10, and we're going bowling. We got the new girl, Jennifer, also Canadian. So it felt like a lazy Monday, but we're gonna make it fun day. Yeah. Okay, first meal of day one: salad, leftover steak, pizza, garlic parmesan chicken, my most popular recipe, and friends. Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, can I get a large iced coffee with no sugar? Hello.
Hi, 303.
Hello.
No liquid sugar.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning. It is Tuesday. Time to do some work. Gotta shoot a wedding. Then I'll probably just go home and relax. My voice is still gone. So I just drank a coffee. And I'm not hungry, so you might not see me for a little bit. Today is a cloudy day, but it looks nice to me. All right, so one more time, I got myself a Perrier from 7-Eleven. Perrier, I can't say that. And then I got me some cracklings with free chili and cheese. And I'm not hungry, but for some reason, every time I finish a wedding over here, that's the first thing I think about. Plus, I have to get gas too, so you know, I was already gonna stop by. This is super good. What's that? You seem disappointed.
Everything, sir?
Everything, yeah.
Any sauce?
Can I just get the vinegar? I'm sorry. You have olive oil?
Yes, sir, here.
Yeah, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Okay, this is gonna be an early dinner. We got like it doesn't look good, but I'm sure it tastes delicious. I got my keto buddy here with the chicken salad.
Yeah.
Mm.
I do it all.
Everybody looks at themselves while they eat.
Mukbang.
Completely normal, I know, yeah. We should do a mukbang. Oh, you look like something broke.
You go, girl. You go. Go, girl.
There it is. 10:30 p.m. snack. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Cheese, sausage, and bacon. And somebody doesn't like bacon, so she's trying to get all the sausage away from it. Despeinada. How come you didn't brush her hair? She looks abandoned. Ríe. Peínate. Peínate. Ríe. Peínate, ríe. Ríe. Ríe, peínate. Ok, ya, vamos. Baila. Ríe, baila. Baila.
la nega para atrás. Tu y jeans siente al duri cuando le roza el booty. Le tiro sustancia más caliente que el churi. Le gusta la pesca porque es una fresca. Si tapa el bailoteo que se come este barrio. Jakey, 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 jakey. Jakey, 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 jakey.
So many women. This is garlic chicken. This is chicken, what? Pakai? Patai? Patai. This is some kind of curry. We got more, no? Oh yeah? Okay, and then that is not keto friendly.
My access cream. Oh yeah. At least, yeah. Guys, we're about to climb. Let's go, Leo! Woo! Oh my gosh.
Cowdy, cowdy, cowdy. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Oh. Enjoying some Hawaii 5-0 while eating some leftover garlic parmesan chicken and avocado. Thursday's dinner is salad and some cauliflower. No, it is cauliflower. Cauliflower with lemon pepper. I also made some shrimp Alfredo with zucchini pasta, and I put mushroom in there. Before coming home, I stopped at McDonald's to get some coffee, and I was kind of hungry, so I grabbed a bunless burger with my coffee, and it filled me up. So that food that I just made, I'll eat it tomorrow. Good morning. It's Friday, and it's another army day today and tomorrow. It's still early, haven't eaten breakfast, I'm not hungry at all. Hannah was nice, and she made me some coffee. So right now I feel good. So it's like a nice day. I do want to mention that last night, even though I didn't eat the dinner with everybody, I did finish most of the salad. I added some almonds to it, give some crunch. I was feeling stuffed, but I weighed myself this morning and I was still 241, so it doesn't affect me weight-wise. Plus, it was mostly salad, so yeah. Right, today's a good keto day in the army. I got a bunch of salad. They got burgers, so I grabbed just the meat, the cheese, tomatoes, onions, mayonnaise, and mustard. They got lettuce wraps, and I got this this tomato salad, but I added more cucumbers and celery. So that's perfect right there. It's dinner time.
Dinner time, keto baby.
Keto.
Not keto baby.
So I ate 3 burgers. So I showed 2 on the screen and I ate another one afterwards because nobody was eating it. But I still cooked dinner. Let me show you what we got. I made some lettuce wrap tacos. I got some broccoli right here. We got some toppings, tomatoes, cheese, onion, and aguacate. And then that's it. But I'm not really hungry, but I don't want yesterday's shrimp to go to waste, so I'm gonna eat that first, and then if I'm still hungry, I'll eat some tacos.
Tacos.
Say bye.
Quiero tacos.
I bet money you're crying. You watched it already, huh?
No.
Oh no?
No.
Have you watched it?
No.
Oh my gosh, bring tissues.
Don't say it. Spoiler.
Yeah, it's not that
These are
sad.
coconut.
Hey, voltea para acá.
I don't cry, except if, and I love. What?
Canada?
No.
Oh yeah.
Rugby? Oh yeah.
No, it's Condor for Cégep Beauce-Appalaches.
That's the same color as my high school.
Oh yeah.
Green and gold.
Oh.
No puedo ver la película. Okay, you go.
You bet.
Yeah? Yeah. Wow. Does it hurt though? I guess it hurts. No, it doesn't hurt?
It hurts.
You're okay? How long can you do that for? That looks so weird. It looks like somebody's in front of you laying forward.
Is it even still raining right now?
Not right now, but it was raining in the morning.
Sprinkling though, not pouring.
Schofield.
Oh yeah, Schofield was drowning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Saturday. I'm back with the army. You saw me eat breakfast earlier, and it's lunchtime now, but I'm kind of perplexed because I want to eat, but I'm not hungry. You know, once you go on keto, the fact that you're using fat as your energy kind of suppresses your hunger, but still you feel like some type of a social pressure to eat. As far as this morning, I wasn't hungry when I woke up. I wasn't hungry when I showed up to work, but I still ate breakfast because they prepared it. I just don't really know how I feel about that. It's not guilt. It's not... It's just weird, man. Like, I know that I shouldn't be eating, but I still feel like I should eat. And I mentioned this before in a bunch of vlogs. I keep talking about it, but I really think I should focus on trying to do like a don't eat unless you're hungry kind of challenge. Because man, if I did that, I would probably be okay with 1 meal a day, maybe half a snack a day or something. It's just a difference from a low-fat diet and a low-carb diet on hunger-wise is just so huge that, you know, physically it's a big difference. Mentally, it's still a struggle trying to figure out if I should eat or not. So I'm not gonna eat lunch because I'm full, and I'm not gonna let this whole breakfast, lunch, and dinner thing get to my head. I think that's what it is. I think it's just that pressure of like, hey, you gotta eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but I don't have to. We got nabe tonight, and then we got lots of vegetables here. Okay, and then we got a new hairstyle here. All right, so I've been struggling all day whether I should eat or not. I've been full the entire day, but they're making this food look good, so I'm gonna eat. I blame it on them. Social pressure. We're going to church, and this is probably Hannah's last sunny day in Hawaii. Ricardo, oh my God, I got that on video. You're running like a grandpa. Alright, so I decided to do intermittent fasting. So today's gonna be the first day where I intentionally do intermittent fasting. I've done it before by accident or just by not being hungry. So I'm gonna do the 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. feeding time. Lunch is gonna be in Wingstop, so we can do that. Go to Costco, get some eggs and some products so that we can make a keto cake later on. Alright, me and Hannah are gonna try the atomic flavor.
Yeah. Cheers.
Am I ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm nervous. Hot too. Not bad. It's not that hot. Oh, there it is. It's coming. It's coming. It's building. It's building up.
Wait.
Right there. Ooh. It builds, but then it stops at like a nice level. Yeah?
It's not bad.
It's not bad. So how full are you guys?
On a scale of 10, I'm at 10. 11.
You want more? You want some more?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
I was full on wing number 3. Alright everybody, so somebody felt like eating some Halo Top mochi green tea, and it tastes nasty. Tastes like perfume or like potpourri or something. Yeah. It's not that good. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for week 10. This week went by super fast, but one thing that kept popping up even since week 1 is the fact that I still eat when I'm not hungry. And for some reason this week I felt more frustrated about that. Maybe because it had to do with the fact that I kind of started to understand the social pressure that we feel to eat. You know, whether like you go to the movies, so you feel like eating while watching TV, or if you go to somebody's house, you feel like eating the food that they serve. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna start doing intermittent fasting. And even though the most popular method is the 16 hours no eating, 8-hour eating window, I want to do the 2 o'clock p.m. to 8 p.m. eating window. That means that that's the only time I'm gonna be eating any type of food. Now, I don't like black coffee by itself. I want heavy whipping cream in it. That's the only way I can drink it. And technically that has calories, but I did the math today, and I put enough, I put about 100 calories worth of heavy whipping cream on my coffee, and so I'm okay with that. So, you know, I don't know, call it, it might be breaking my fast, but I will try to drink less coffee anyways. And so that's going to be the plan from this point on. So that means week 11 and 12, I'm going to be in full-blown intermittent fasting. And then immediately following the No Sabotage challenge, just to kind of add a different variable to it, I'm going to start working out. I do enjoy running. It's just getting to wake up or, you know, make the time to go running. That's the tough part. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Check out my Patreon account. Check out my t-shirt designs. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.